Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Reebelo and Back Market, two platforms for buying refurbished electronics. So Reebelo offers certified refurbished devices with warranties, focusing on sustainability and providing customers with high quality gadgets at lower prices, while Back Market is a well-known marketplace for refurbished electronics, offering a wide range of devices from various sellers along with guarantees and competitive pricing. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. So if you want to sign up to Rebeelo and Back Market, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about the product offering, Rebeelo offers primarily refurbished tech gadgets, which is phones, tablets, and laptops. While Back Market, they have refurbished electronics across various categories, including phones, laptops, gaming consoles, and home appliances. For the warranty, Reveal offers up to 12 months of warranty, while back market, their warranty is almost 12 months on most products. For device condition, Reveal offers like new or very good in other conditions, while back market categorized as fair, good, and excellent for product condition. For return policy, Reveal they have a 14-day returns, while back market they offers 30-day returns on most items. For the quality testing, Revealo have multi-point inspection for all devices, while Back Market, they have strict refurbishment process with a quality checks. For seller vetting, Revealo partnered with certified refurbishers, while Back Market, they have certified refurbishers and strict vetting process. Lastly, the customer support, Revealo have online support and inquiries, while Back Market, they have 24/7 online support and responsive chat. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When we talk about the price range for iPhone 12, for example, we below they have it for $500 to $700, condition dependent, while back market they offers it for $450 to $680, condition dependent. For shipping costs, we below often free within select regions, while back market they have free shipping on most items. For discounts offers, we below have occasional sales and promotion, while back market they have frequent flash sales and promotions. Lastly, for payment options, we below offers credit, debit cards, and PayPal, buy now and pay later. When it comes to back market, they offers credit and debit cards, PayPal, Klarna for financing. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to shipping time, Rebeelo have 2 to 5 business days of shipping time, while Back Market they have 3 to 7 business days of shipping time. For availability of products, Rebeelo is widely available in major countries, while Back Market they have a large inventory, and lastly they have broader product range. For device functionality, Rebeelo have high customer satisfaction on product functionality, while back market, they have high quality products with multi-step refurbishing process. For buyer satisfaction, we below have generally positive reviews, while back market, they have a strong customer satisfaction with returns and support. So yes, that's it for the simple performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. When it comes to live chat, we below, yes, they have it during business hours only, while back market, they have it for 24/7. For email support, both platforms is available. So the availability time is just the same. Relo is business hours. Back market is 24/7. For phone support, Revelo they have limited phone support, while back market not available. Mostly online support. Lastly, for issue resolution speed, Revelo have average speed depends on the region, while back market they are generally quick to respond. especially through live chat. And yes, that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. When it comes to Rebuild pros and cons, let's talk about pros. Rebuild provides high quality refurbished gadgets that undergo through inspection. They often comes with flexible payment options including buy now pay later services. They are known for offering refurbished devices at competitive prices. And lastly, they have up to 12-month warranty, offering peace of mind for buyers. When it comes to cons, Rebuild return policy is shorter compared to competitors like Back Market, which is 14 days, and they have slightly smaller range of products compared to Back Market's broader categories, and their shipping time may vary based on the region, which can lead to delays. And of course, that's it for the pros and cons of Rebuild. So now let's go to Back Market pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Back Market have extensive selection of refurbished electronics, including phones, laptops, and even home appliances. They have a 30-day return policy, giving buyers more flexibility for returns. They have products that are subject to strict multi-point inspection, ensuring functionality and quality. And lastly, they offers regular sales and promotions, providing great value for bargain hunters. When it comes to cons, Back Market customer support can sometimes be slow, especially with email inquiries. And despite offering financial options, pricing may still be higher on some products compared to competitors, and they have limited phone support, relying mostly on online and chat based customer service. So, yes, that's all for the back market pros and cons. So, now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. Now, let's go to which platform is the best for you, and let's start by discussing who should choose Revealo. So Revealo is referable for someone who primarily needs tech gadgets like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. For individuals looking for quality refurbished devices with an emphasis on through testing. For buyers who want flexible payment options such as buy now, pay later for better financial management. And lastly, for people comfortable with 14-day return window and wanting competitive prices on popular devices. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Revealo is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose a back market is referable for someone who wants a wider range of electronics, including household appliances and gaming consoles. For individuals seeking a longer return policy, 30 days, for peace of mind when testing device. And for buyers who appreciate flash sales and promotions to get better deals on refurbished products. And lastly, for freelancers or professionals looking for high quality certified devices that come with a 12-month warranty. So if you have all of these qualities right here, back market is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both Revealo and back market offers excellent options for purchasing refurbished tech, but the choice comes down to your needs. Revealo is ideal for those looking for reliable, well-tested gadgets at competitive prices with flexible payment option, while back market shines with its extensive product range and longer return policy, making it perfect for buyers seeking a wide range or wide selection of electronics. So, ready to find your next refurbished device? Explore the platform that best fits your needs and start saving today. And with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.